Hi guys, we're launching our G strategy program. So in case you want to join us, you can just call or WhatsApp any of the numbers given here. In fact, we are keeping a demo lecture today. So today 6 p.m., 6 to 7 p.m. we are going to have a demo lecture. So in case you want to attend, just call or WhatsApp any of the number. The lecture is going to be about CMAT and the CET exam. All right. So let's look at the competition for the CET paper this year. So that's approximate number for this year. So Maharashtra student, 89% of the CET taker were from Maharashtra and 10.4%, almost 10% are from outside. So 13,000 people from outside Maharashtra have also given the exam, CET exam. Maharashtra competition 1,18,000. Total number of applicants were 1,32,000. का breakup आपके सामने. This is approximate breakup. Fine. Now, if I go to the state-wise, Assam, चंडीगढ़, हिमाचल प्रदेश, दादरा नगर हवेली, त्रिपुरा, दमन एंड दीव, नागालैंड से भी 2 बच्चों ने सीटी दिया था. या टोटल 1,32,000 पीपल का ब्रेकअप. एंड दैट इज दिस इज अ परसेंटेज वेरी वेरी लेस. सो 0.01 ऐसा कुछ होगा. 2 लोग नागालैंड से दिया, सिक्किम 2 लोग, मिजोरम 2 लोग, मेघालय 4 लोग. सो वी हैव द स्टेट वाइज डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन है. इफ आई गो अप द चेन, केरला, पंजाब, Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, all these states have less than 1,000 students giving the exam. Now more than 1,000. Maharashtra obviously number 1, 1,18,000. Madhya Pradesh 2,500. Uttar Pradesh 1,900. Delhi, Gujarat, Rajasthan. So that's the breakup of all the people who have taken the CET exam. Yeah. So why this data is important for me? Because now those who think यार all India के लिए तो सीटें नहीं है, ये है वो है. अब कंपटीशन देखो ना. लुक एट द कंपटीशन फॉर ऑल इंडिया सीट्स. 10% पीपल आर फाइटिंग. इफ आई लुक एट द JBIMS, 10% आर फाइटिंग फॉर द 18 सीट्स एंड पूरा महाराष्ट्र इज फाइटिंग फॉर द ओपन 47 सीट्स. अब बताओ किसका कंपटीशन ज़्यादा इजी है? ऑल इंडिया सीट का कंपटीशन ज़्यादा इजी है. एंड फॉर ऑल इंडिया सीट दे आर एक्सेप्टिंग CMAT स्कोर एज वेल. दिस इज वेयर CMAT come into picture. That's the value of the CMAT exam. And today I'm taking the workshop mainly focused on the CMAT exam only. So in case you want to attend, please call or WhatsApp on any of these numbers here. They will send the link for today's workshop at 6 p.m. So 6 to 7 p.m. I'm conducting the workshop. ठीक है. तो इसके लिए ऑल इंडिया सीट के लिए 18 सीट के लिए which is 15% of the seats. 15% of the seats in every college is for the all India category. Okay. So what is the cutoff for each of them? So go to CETking.com/AI. You will find the cutoff for all India seat. Now all India मतलब all India. So महाराष्ट्र का बच्चा, मुंबई का बच्चा is also in India. So you can also apply for all these seats. So this is the tentative cutoff for all the colleges. CETking.com/AI. You can go to the link CETking.com/AI. You can check out the cutoff for each of the college for all India seats. Cutoff is obviously high because number of seats are less. And how many seats are there? I've given here. So JB 18 seats, Sidnam 27 seat, KJ Somaya do not accept CET score at all. They've moved out. SIS 5 seats, Wellinger, हर कॉलेज का सीट्स आपको ब्रेकअप यहाँ पे मिल जाएगा. And the best part is low ROI. No or less GDP, no GDPI for the MS program. That's why the cutoff is high. And they accept CAT, CMAT, CET score. इस बार ATMA and MAT का स्कोर एक्सेप्ट नहीं किया गया था. All scores are valued same. ठीक है. Now CAT obviously is tough. CET competition is more. We can see that. CMAT का competition सबसे less है. Alright. All the best.